Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can jailbreak iOS 16.7.11 on all devices which support this version, such as iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 10 or any other iPad which is running this version. The method shared in this video is completely free. It does not require a USB flash. It works natively on Windows. And for this we will be using Winra1n, and after the successful jailbreak I will show you how you can install Cydia along with TrollStore on iOS 16.7.11. The jailbreak will be rootful. I will also briefly show you how you can jailbreak rootless between the process. The very same process also works for iOS 15.8.4 jailbreak rootful, and yes, for the same process you will be able to install Cydia, as you can check out the version right here, and of course TrollStore. You'll be able to set a passcode while jailbroken without any problem. But with iOS 16.11 jailbreak on your A11 devices, you cannot set a passcode while you are jailbroken. So please disable it right now by going to settings, going to touch ID and passcode and turning it off from here. Also, if you turned it off, please right now backup your device using iTunes. You will be needing to turn off the passcode, step 1, and then go to general, then scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings and start over. Or when you jailbreak, your device will panic and the jailbreak will not complete. This is very important. And then after that you can restore the backup to your device using iTunes, which you have created earlier. Now to run Winra1n and of course the backup, you need iTunes. You can get iTunes from the official Apple's website by simply visiting and then getting it for your Windows computer. If you already got it from the Microsoft Store, please uninstall that version and install the standalone official version from the Apple's website. Once you have followed all the instructions, the next bar is the Winra1n. You can use Winra1n 2.0 or 2.1. You will find the link in the pinned comment or in the description. You can simply get it from here, extract it, and you will find all these files right here. To begin, first of all, install USB DK. You can simply install it and then restart your computer once, and then simply right click Winra1n and then run it as administrator. Now simply connect your device via USB and you will find this dialog on your device. Simply hit trust. This is very important, and your device will show up right here inside Winra1n. Now if you want to jailbreak rootless, you can simply select rootless from here. After selecting Palera1n, hit next, get your device into GFU mode, and then it will jailbreak your device rootless. You can follow it after the Palera1n loader is installed. Now if you want to get jailbroken rootful, as we are doing in this guide, you can simply select rootful. In the step 1, you will have to check create fake FS and then hit next. If your device is not being detected, you can hit fix driver just in case. Make sure USB DK is selected and then hit next. Then hit OK. Your device should enter recovery mode. Now simply follow the instructions on screen and get your device into GFU. Press and hold the buttons as displayed. Keep holding volume down and your device will get into GFU and the process should start. In some rare cases, if it crashes, simply open it again, and if your device is stuck in GFU, you can simply select rootful again, select create fake FS, and then left click this checkra icon and then hit allow DFU to start, and you can see the next button is now available. Hit next, OK, and it will start again right from the DFU mode. Please leave it here until the process is complete. Alright, now it will start creating the fake FS. It will take about 10 minutes. Please leave your device here and then it will automatically boot into normal mode. Alright, as you can see, the fake FS is created, which is evident by the space I have lost is about 10 GB reduced. Go back home, leave your device plugged in, then hit done on Winra1n. Then in step 2, simply keep Rootful selected and then deselect create fake FS this time. Then hit next. Okay. Again, your device will go into recovery mode. Get it into GFU and then leave your device here until the process is complete. Alright, booting and all done. Once your device boots back on this time, you will see the Palera1n loader on your device. Rest of the process is on device. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected. Open the Palera1n loader and then from here you can install Cydia. Alright, installing. Now set a password or sudo of your choice. I would recommend using alphabets. Then hit set. You'll see install completed. Hit close and you'll see Cydia on your home screen. Open it, allow, accept, go to packages and then upgrade all. Hit done. Now to prepare your device so that you can install tweaks and dev files, go to sources, then hit the plus button and then add this repo, allocate dot space, then hit add source. Once it is installed, open allocate, go to all categories and install allocate first of all. Let it queue, go to search and search for preference loader and install it as well. And then do a user space reboot. Once you're back, open Cydia again and I want to show you the version. As you can see, 16.7.11. It's an iPhone 8 Plus Rootful Jailbreak. And of course, you will be able to install your tweaks properly now. We have this tweak which is completely free. We will test it. Done. Go back home, settings, scroll all the way down. You will see Ampere, which means the preference loader is working, and when we enable the tweak, it works fine without any problem. You see the changed battery icon. Now we will install Cydia and then we will install TrollStore. To install Cydia, you will need Cydia's deb file. Open Safari and head to the link in the description or in the pinned comment to get this deb file. It is completely free. Just simply tap on it and then get the deb file to your device. Now go to downloads, simply hit it, then hit this share button, then share it to Cydia. Hit on get, queued and confirm to install Cydia. Now hit done. When you go back home, you will see Cydia on your home screen. Now a little troubleshooting. Make sure that the deb file you got is in the local storage of your device. Make sure it is not in the iCloud drive or you will not be able to install Cydia or this deb file. Now let's open Cydia and you can see the version 16.7.11 iPhone 8 Plus. Go to changes and then you can simply upgrade all without any problem. Return to Cydia. No issues whatsoever. Installed, changes, sources, everything works. Now to install TrollStore, you can simply go to search and search Troll and then install TrollStore Lite, which is a version made for devices which are jailbroken on versions which do not support a TrollStore, which means that it will only work when your device stays jailbroken. Install, confirm to install it. And then return to Cydia, go back. And you can see it is now installed without any problem. You can install your apps from here and they will work perfectly fine. Now if you want to set passcode while you are jailbroken with Palera1n on iOS 16.7.11, it is easy. Go to sources and add this repo opa334.github.io. Make sure repo.palera1n.in is also added. Now from opa334's repo, go to all categories and search for libsandy and install it. Confirm, hit done. Now search for fake pass. Fake pass is completely free and install this package. Then restart Springboard. Once you go in, open settings, scroll all the way down and make sure fake pass is there, and you can simply turn this button on so that your device locks right after a respring. Once a passcode is set, go back, go up to Touch ID and passcode. You'll see that now you can turn passcode on via fake pass. Select it and set a passcode. You can see it will work, your device will respring, and then it will ask you for the passcode on your lock screen. See, it works without any problem. Alright, if you want to turn it off, go to settings, go to Touch ID and passcode, type it in, and then you can turn it off from here. Please note that this will only work while your device stays jailbroken. If you wish to return back to stock, you can also easily remove the jailbreak using Winra1n. Simply connect your device, select Palera1n, then select Rootful, and then select Force Revert from here, and then simply complete the process by hitting next, and then completing the process as usual. Alright, the process is complete. You can see it is now completely reverted. Everything is removed, and you can see we have also regained space, 10 GB. You'll see the loader here. You can see it is unable to proceed because we used force revert. You can simply close it, restart your device, and it will disappear like so. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.